Hey everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through how to create custom tabs and sections in Salesforce to organize your pages exactly the way you want. Whether you're building a better user experience or just cleaning up a cluttered layout, this is a simple way to make Salesforce work smarter for you. Let's get started. First, click on Setup, go to Edit Page. Now, if you look at this page layout, you'll see that there is a lot of information on the page, and this is not user-friendly. Research shows that only about 45% of users scroll to the bottom of a page. And I guess I'm not one of this percentage because I don't like scrolling. So today, I'll be showing you how you can make your page layout user-friendly. So first, I'm going to be removing this details tab, and I'll show you how to create a new tab. First, on the tab section, remove the details tab, click on add tab, then you see details, search for record detail and drag onto the page layout. So now we need to upgrade this page layout to dynamic forms in order to be able to drag fields on the page. So right now we are able to drag the fields as we like on the page layout. So on the left side under fields, search for field section and drag the section component, the field section component onto the page layout, because we want to create another section. I want to create one column. We can rename the custom label as SLA information. The SLA information is at the bottom of this page, so I want to rearrange it. I want to rearrange the information in this new section. So scroll to the bottom of the page and drag each field to the new section that we just created. So we're going to be dragging SLA. We'll drag SLA serial number and SLA expiration date onto that section. So if you like, you can rearrange the fields on the page layout as you like. You can delete the fields you don't want and then click on save. You'll see on this record page that we now have the new section on the page. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.